What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I hope you guys are having a great kickoff to the week. 2021 is already off to a great start. I can't tell you how awesome it has been. Ethereum is about to break a new all-time high. Let's check it out. All right, what's going on to all my winners out there? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am winning, and so are you. And if you are in Ethereum, you are definitely winning because Ethereum price inches closer to new all-time high as Bitcoin consolidates. Ethereum price is in hot pursuit of a new all-time high, while Bitcoin price continues to trade sideways. Bitcoin BTC continues to trade in a tightening range within a pennant pattern, and while the price has moved above the 20-day MA moving average, it's clear that the bulls and bears are fighting over the direction the digital asset will take. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView shows that BTC traded in a range between 34,955 and 37,850 over the weekend, but traders buying each dip appear to be doing so with less bullish conviction. JP Mortgage research analyst Nicholas Pantigritsigallo recently stressed the importance of Bitcoin breaking out above the $40,000 level soon in order to avoid being hurt by an exodus of trend-following investors who could worsen last week's correction. According to Ivis Reno, head of trading at Wirex, Bitcoin is in a consolidation above the 35,500 level, but Reno still sees an overall positive trend in the market. Reno also said that the most recent correction was actually viewed as an opportunity to buy for large institutional size investors, as evidenced by an increase in the number of BTC whales and low to average miner supply. Reno said that investors should expect to see a continued period of high volatility with positive medium trend in the upcoming weeks and months based on action in the derivatives market. He said, the open interest is always hitting new all-time highs, which makes the market even riskier since it implies that there is a higher risk of liquidation during a correction, meaning collateral sold, which typically amplifies the corrections. So ETH also looks to show continued strong price momentum as Reno sees it, driven by the ETH2 launch and upcoming CME futures launch in February. ETH2 is also expected to provide a boost to the DeFi economy in general, as the ecosystem as a whole will benefit from the decrease in transaction fees and also less congestion. Positive developments on the regulatory front. News that incoming President Joe Biden intends to choose Gary Gensler, a professor who previously taught a blockchain and cryptocurrency course at MIT, as chairman of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, provided the crypto sector with a short-term boost in sentiment. Bitcoin has also received a significant vote of confidence from Stephen Harper, the former Prime Minister of Canada. Harper suggested that there may be a place for Bitcoin as part of a basket of reserve currencies to replace the dollar. While Bitcoin price has been trading sideways, crypto pundits have been calling for Ether to break out and follow BTC's parabolic move. Within the last hour, Ether did manage a bullish breakout in its BTC pair and USD pair. At the time of writing this, the top-ranked altcoin is up 5.43% and trades at 1,327. And at this exact moment, it is trading at 1,331.40. Despite pulling back on Monday, Polkadot also continues to be one of the top performing altcoins, seeing a 75% increase in the last week and flipping XRP as it sets its sights on the $20 mark. Currently, DOT trades at $16.80. So let's take a look at the actual market chart here for Ethereum and see what is going on. All right, so if you watched my video earlier today, you can check that out on the Ethereum price prediction, Litecoin price prediction. We talked about ETH/USD, and this is what we covered. So ETH/USD remains in a strong uptrend, and is currently consolidating near that 13,000 mark to 13,049 overhead resistance. The upsloping moving average and the relative strength RSI near the overbought zone suggests that the path of least resistance is the upside. And this is the chart. So what it was talking about is these moving averages here are going up instead of flat or down. Obviously, you can see this is an uptrend. And then also the RSI, which was way up here, which is why it was riding up so high, started coming back down. But now it's starting to level out and move up. Okay, so this right here is the 1-day chart. Let's take a look at the actual current chart on TradingView and see what we got here. All right, so as you can see, we had this chart marked up and we've been monitoring this. It was hitting this resistance line continuously. We did see it break for a short moment of time. This is on the 2-hour chart, so this was just yesterday. And then obviously you can see that it kept coming up here and hitting this resistance again. Well, just about 10, let's see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, about 10 hours ago, it did make that break through our 1259 resistance. So basically 1260s where it kept hitting over and over again. Boom, 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 as you can see there. And it finally made an actual fully rocket ship candle all the way up here. So now it is kind of hitting and sitting there. It is running off of the 5 EMA that I have, which is my yellow one. We call that the mustard. And as you can see, they're still not making a turn down. So if you were to see this start to turn down, the momentum would be turning off, but we're still riding up, which looks really good there. And that is on the 2-hour chart. The Ethereum USD pair formed a doji candlestick pattern on January 17th. And again today, indicating indecision between the bulls and bears. If uncertainty resolves to the upside and the bulls push the price above the overhead resistance, the uptrend can continue, and the next target would be 1420 and then 1675. On the contrary, if the price turns down from the current levels, which looking at the current charts, we know that did not happen. We know we're not running back to 1152. So we're looking for a 1420 to a 1675 run here for Ethereum. So let's make sure we keep paying attention. The next major resistance line, which it's going to run into, is going to be right here, because this is where it turned down last time. And you can see that it actually bounced off there at 1345. So let's see if this 2-hour candle can run up. Because what you'll see here is this now the 1-hour candles, it ran up, it bounced off that resistance, came back, hit this moving average, and it ran back up this hour, and it did hit it at that resistance and still trying to fight through there. So let's go down now to the 15-minute. And as you can see on these smaller time frames, it is really trying to push up. It's really trying to push there. So we're going to watch this over the next 30 minutes to an hour. Let's see if it can bust through the 1345 level. And if that happens, we're looking for 1420 to be the next stop. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are catching these great trades. Hope you guys are running up the Ethereum. And by the way, the downs are coming, so keep paying attention to the video. So make sure you subscribe so that way you know when it is time to sell your Ethereum. Right now, it is about to be time to buy Ethereum. By the way, this channel is not giving you financial advice. These are just my opinions, and this is based on analysis that we're reading over on the charts. So I hope you guys the best of luck out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry, I got to keep telling you, but we got to run this channel up. We're almost to 1,000, and with your support, we're going to get there. Talk to you guys later.